How to use Apple Fitness Plus on iPhone. Firstly, on your iPhone, navigate to App Store. In App Store, go to the search bar on the top. Now type in Fitness Plus. When you do that, then you will see an app called Apple Fitness. Make sure that you install this application to your device. Once installed, open the app. When you open the app for the first time, you will see an interface like this. It will basically navigate you through the app. You can read all this if you want and click on continue. There are different kind of features available within this app that will help you manage fitness and health. Once the app opens, you will land to an interface like this. Now in summary, you will see all the distance that you have covered and all the calories that you have lost. When you are doing any kind of activities or running, make sure that you keep your device with yourself. Even better, if you have Apple Watch, you can connect this app with your Apple Watch. At the bottom, you will also see the sharing panel. You can invite friends and both of you can use the app together. To share the activity, you can simply send it to your friend. You can click on See All categories to see all the features. Click on the activity ring at the very top to see your walking goals. So there are different features which you can use to track your fitness. That's all for today. Thank you.